guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel Study Buddy with Surbhi. Are you excited for today's current affair quiz? So without wasting any time, let's get started with our very first quiz question. Try to answer it on your own. Lyriothemis abrahami that was recently seen in news belongs to which species? Is it a spider, frog, dragonfly or ant? So the right answer is dragonfly. And it is discovered in Kerala. It breeds in small water pools inside the tree holes, जो क्या रिफ्लेक्ट करता है उसकी फॉरेस्ट डिपेंडेंट नेचर को. It is found in lowland rainforest to mid-elevation evergreen and deciduous forest. और इस डिस्कवरी ने रेज कर दिया केरला का टोटल एडोनेट स्पीशीज काउंट को to 191, including 78 endemic species being found there. And it is also an indicator species as indicates forest health and tells us whether there is a need for habitat conservation or not. Now coming to the next question. Which state has recently introduced the Psi-TB skin test to detect latent tuberculosis infection (LTBI)? Is it Odisha, Kerala, Tamil Nadu or Telangana? So the right answer is Kerala. So Kerala has recently introduced the Psi-TB skin test to detect latent tuberculosis infection. Under which program? Under National TB Elimination Program. So your homework is to read and learn about NTEP. Psi-TB is a new generation intradermal skin test. जिसमें क्या यूज होता है? माइकोबैक्टीरियम ट्यूबरकुलोसिस स्पेसिफिक एंटीजेंस called ESAT6 and CFP10. What is intradermal? Intradermal is within or into the dermis. And what is dermis? Dermis is one of the layers of skin. And your skin has basically 3 layers. Right? The topmost layer is known as epidermis. Then comes dermis. And at bottom, hypodermis. जिसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Subcutis. Right? So question can also be asked in this way. ESAT6 and CFP10 refers to what? So it is basically an antigen. Particularly Mycobacterium tuberculosis specific antigen. It is more accurate than the Mantox or IGRA, interferon gamma release assay test, and does not need any blood samples. और ये help करता है in early detection of dormant TB to prevent it from becoming active. It is used for adults above 18, especially in high risk or contact groups. Now here is your next question. Bima Sakhi Yojana is an initiative of which institution? Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, Niti Aayog, LIC or RBI? So the right answer is LIC. So LIC recently signed a memorandum of understanding with Department of Rural Development to promote Bima Sakhi Yojana. कहाँ पे? In rural India. This MOU was signed during the Financial Inclusion Conclave, Anubhuti, held in Goa. It is a performance-based stipendiary scheme launched by Life Insurance Corporation of India for women empowerment. So selected women will receive training and monthly stipends for 3 consecutive years. 7,000 in first year, 6,000 in second year and 5,000 in third year. और इसका aim क्या है? To appoint 2 lakh Bima Sakhis across India over the next 3 years. Here is the next question. Which mobile application won the World Summit on the Information Society Prizes 2025 Champion Award for Rural Digital Governance? Umang, Meri Panchayat, Jio Urban or E-Gram Swaraj? So the right answer is Meri Panchayat. Meri Panchayat mobile app recently won the prestigious WSIS Prizes 2025 Champion Award. WSIS stands for World Summit on Information Society. और ये अवार्ड किस कैटेगरी के अंदर दिया गया है? कल्चरल डाइवर्सिटी एंड आइडेंटिटी, लिंग्विस्टिक डाइवर्सिटी एंड लोकल कंटेंट. एट द WSIS +20 हाई लेवल इवेंट कहां पे हेल्ड हुआ था? इन जिनेवा, स्विट्जरलैंड. मेरी पंचायत ऐप is developed by Ministry of Panchayati Raj and National Informatics Center under the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Point to be noted. So मेरी पंचायत ऐप किसने डेवलप किया है? मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ पंचायती राज ने. किसके साथ मिलके? नेशनल इंफॉर्मेटिक्स सेंटर के साथ मिलके. और कौन सी मिनिस्ट्री के अंडर? मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी. और ये क्या प्रोवाइड करेगी? रियल टाइम एक्सेस टू panchayat budgets, payments, development plans, and details of elected representatives. Right? So here is the next question. Ad-Felsi vaccine that was recently seen in news is related to which disease? Malaria, polio, measles, or trachoma? So the right answer is malaria. Ad-Felsi vaccine is related to malaria, and malaria is a parasite. Right? It is not a bacteria nor a virus. Right? It is a parasite which causes malaria. So ICMR is developing a new malaria vaccine called Ad-Felsivax to fight Plasmodium falciparum, which is a parasite. This was recently highlighted due to its unique chimeric and recombinant design. और इसको डेवलप किस किसने किया है? रीजनल मेडिकल रिसर्च सेंटर भुवनेश्वर, नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मलेरिया रिसर्च, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ बायोटेक्नोलॉजी, नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इम्यूनोलॉजी. राइट? It uses Lactocus lactis, a safe food grade bacterium. So Lactocus lactis is a food grade bacterium used for production. So this vaccine targets both the pre-arthrocytic and sexual stages of the malaria parasite. This dual target approach offers both personal protection and reduction of mosquito transmission. So these are your 5 current quiz questions for today. I hope you guys liked it. If you liked it, like, subscribe and share to my channel, and stay tuned for the upcoming videos as there is much more to go. Bye bye, take care.